the latest invention at NIO is affecting stock prices. Inventions and launching of new products have a way of affecting the stock prices of many companies. Being able to identify these little changes and analyze them to see how they affect the stock prices positively or negatively makes one a better investor than the other. NIO is the company we will be analyzing today, and how the launch of their 100 kWh battery is affecting their market performance. Many investors, shareholders and potential shareholders are still trying to digest and analyze the possible outcomes of this launch event. Hello viewers, you are welcome to another video session from my channel. As an investor, I take the time to note changes in the market and also share my opinions and thoughts on any changes in the stock market. Have you subscribed to my channel? If not, then you are really missing a lot, because there is plenty more where this came from. In this particular video, we will be discussing the new launch. We will also be analyzing how this may affect the market in any way. Listen closely, because I will try my best to analyze where this company may be hidden. Remember that all my videos are opinion based only, therefore you can always do your own research carefully before taking any investments. I need to point out that events like this should be attended by shareholders and potential shareholders. Some may ask why that is. Well, it is because you can have a pretty good idea where a company is going to be in the near future by just attending these events. First, I think we need to know exactly what the launch event was all about. The headlines read, NIO launches the 100 kWh battery with flexible battery upgrade plans. But what does this mean? It means that the 100 kWh battery they launched is top-notch technology which features highly integrated designs, bidirectional cloud BMS, climate thermal management, and even thermal propagation prevention. There is even better news, because the upgrade plans of this battery benefit all users of NIO products because of the flexible yearly and monthly upgrade options, giving better affordability. There is also an option for battery subscription for this particular battery. The company NIO had to come up with this product to be able to stay in the competition. Better batteries definitely mean better range and performance, and consumers are fully aware of this. Range and performance are major concerns for consumers, and NIO has shown its commitment towards satisfying its customer by using innovations and R&D in battery technology. This battery, the 100 kWh battery, has filed and gained over 300 patents because it features the cell-to-pack CTP technology, meaning it realizes higher energy density for up to 37%. Now the range of NIO products has increased to about 615 kilometers. NIO must have known that this launch event may affect sales a little, knowing that people may have to wait for this product to be tested by other consumers before they buy, and this has always been the case with launch events of other companies. So how did NIO tackle this problem? They announced that their models with this new battery would only be available for pre-order from 7th of November 2020. They also stated that users of the former 70 kWh battery have the option of choosing to buy the new product for permanent upgrade or use the flexible upgrade option on an annually or monthly basis. These flexible options were very bold moves by NIO to take care of the different needs of their consumers. With these options, their sales will not be affected negatively, since there is no reason to wait when you can buy what is existing and upgrade later. There is also another option provided by NIO called Battery as a Service, BaaS, which allows its consumer to buy the NIO products without batteries and then swap batteries depending on their urgent needs. For instance, Say a customer needs a new car with a new battery. They can do so with the bus. This simply means that RMB 128,000 will be discounted from the price of the car. But the customer will have to subscribe to a monthly fee of 1,480 monthly RMB. The next question is, what does this launch and changes in the battery mean for the new outlook? Will it be bullish or bearish? Look at this from the investor side. With all these advancements and innovations to satisfy their customers, I believe they are heading in the right direction. The most important component of these EV cars is the battery. Doesn't it sound great to know a company has made provisions for upgrades and swaps whenever you feel like it? Take Tesla for example. The fact that there is no provision for upgrade or swap, people keep waiting for newer technologies and therefore refuse to buy the already existing products. And this is not good for sales. Some may ask if this is a buying opportunity and may answer to that is not yet. There is no need to rush into investments yet. I want to and advise investors to wait for their earnings report before making any decisions to buy or sell shares. Even with the excitement that came with announcement and possible launch, stock price of NIO is still flat, which is yet another reason to wait and analyze. I'm bullish. I bought it in the summer and I'm quite happy with this and I'm waiting for next week. Advancements in technology and innovation are good for the market and for the customers in the short and long run. So if NIO keeps innovating and expanding, other companies will be forced to do the same. In fact, I'm hoping other companies adopt this upgrade and swap ideas for their models, for instance. So, I believe you have learned something new. I bet that. If so, please like it and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and drop your views in your comments below this video. Are you buying? Are you selling NIO? What is your opinion about NIO? I am looking forward to hearing from you. So, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay green and motivated.